Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here on First Class Cook. It's always a pleasure to have you here on my channel. Okay, so today I have a very special delicacy for you. Okay, this is Zaafi, also known as TZ, and this recipe comes from the northern side of Ghana, which is West Africa. Now, this meal is so special that sometimes it is made on Sundays. And one thing about a Sunday meal is that, first of all, it takes a little bit of time to make and it brings people together. But this meal is not only made on Sundays, but it's made on special occasions, okay, where people get together and enjoy this delicious meal. Now, I remember how my family used to make this meal, and I was just waiting, just patiently waiting to be called and to be told that, hey, your Zaafi is ready, come and eat. And boy, I would rush to the kitchen, okay, because TZ is just one of those meals that is so warming. Like, it's just such a heartwarming meal, guys. Now, if you want to learn how to make it, don't go anywhere. All right, so we are going to make porridge. This is the beginning of making TZ. Now, this is obtained by using 1 cup of warm water as well as 1 cup of white corn. Now, we're going to mix these two things together, and this is what it looks like. This is what the white corn looks like, and you can find it at your local Caribbean or African supermarkets. Now, as you can see, yes, our hands are being used. So one thing you want to do is that you want to continuously stir, because you don't want it to be lumpy, guys. Now, as you stir, you could tell that it's slowly becoming like a porridge kind of consistency. And this is where you can add more of the powdered white corn. Some people use kokonte, which is also a preference, but I am going to just stick to the white corn. So I've added about half a cup, almost half a cup of the white corn. Now, you see how thick it is. This is how I want it, guys. And once the TZ is ready and it's left, to cool down, it hardens. All right, guys, so I've started boiling some okra. Okay, this is about half a cup of okra that I cut up in small pieces and I boiled. Now we're going to use our jute leaves, guys. Jute leaves is also found at your local supermarket. Now, the seasonings that you can add is beef stock, dawa dawa, herring powder, or shrimp powder, and you can also add your salt, guys. Now, these seasonings will definitely bring out the authentic taste in your jute leaf soup. All right, guys, so now we are done. We are about to serve our Zaafi TZ. Now, my stew is already made, guys. Do you remember the stew that I made for the wache? Yes, this is the same stew that I'm going to use. That stew is very versatile. If you want to learn how to make it, you can just go over to my wache video and you learn how to make it. Now, we are going to go ahead and serve ourselves, guys. Oh my goodness, this meal was so satisfying. Please try it. And it's a wrap, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me here on First Class Cook.